Welcome to my channel, and I hope that you will like and subscribe to Believe in Beauty One. I am Tina. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I am also a licensed beauty educator, manufacture hair replacement products out to women all over the globe, and I have just poured myself into my craft. So with this product that I'm about to demo to you, I have realize that there are women need a product like mine who love wearing short hair. They may have some challenges in the scalp area in the top, and they do not want to commit to wearing wigs. It's to create a custom styled, sized unit that can be worn in the crown area of the head without having to cover the entire head. So in today's video, I wanted to give you a behind the scenes sneak peek into some of the more intricate details of the hair toppers. We're gonna try them on our beautiful models behind me. So let's go. All right, my first demonstration here we're going to do with our model. I'm going to go ahead and take the first unit and give you a little bit more information about the unit, and then we'll proceed to install it on the mannequin. All right, so our first unit here is made from our Malaysian Bohemian curl hair in the color black, and you can see that it is, the front is a 12-inch, and around the sides is going to be 10-inch, and on the bottom I have not yet installed clips, but you can see the base of the unit. This particular unit is a 7-inch from front to back and 6 inches across, so it's going to be 7 by 6, which is the standard size for the 60-second clip and go hair toppers. And typically once I create a hair unit and prep it to ship to the client, they will have a tag in the back that will let them know that it is the back of the unit, and then there's a little notch here in the front that lets them know this is the front. Then there would be 7 clips sewn around the entire unit, so they would have 6. They will have 1 in the front, 1 in the back, and 2 on each side, so they'll have 6 clips to use to secure the unit to their hair. So we don't have any clips on this one, which is why I use the tape on the mannequin so that I can show you how it is installed and how it is supposed to fit. All right, so we'll proceed to installing this unit on our model. One thing I did want to mention is about the clips. So there will be 6 clips on the bottom, attached to the bottom of the hair unit, and so before installing, you would basically pop open the clips around the edge or perimeter of the unit, and then once you open the clips, you would place the unit where it is going to sit on the head, and then once you have it on the head securely, you're going to go ahead and close the clips around the hair that it is around your natural hair. So you would just go around and close the clips that you just opened around the perimeter of the hair unit. So this particular unit is intended to have an improvised part that we have here in the middle. And since I have it installed properly in the correct place, I'm going to go ahead and stick my T-pins in the unit just for the sake of this demo. And then I'm going to show you how I would style this unit. I have it installed. It looks a little bit like it might be, but I think that's just my part. So the way the unit is made, you can also split the hair. If it's not even, you can see that you can't see the tracks, so you can just use your finger and kind of split the hair in half and separate it and get it the way you like it. And so once you have the hair split, and this unit you can actually wear, either you can wear a middle part, or if you want to wear a side part, you can do that as well. So if I wanted to wear a side part, I just slip my fingers through and create an improvised part here on the side and brush that hair over to the side and proceed to style. So with this hair, it's so easy to wear that the only styling products you'll need basically is water. Now, if you like more of a defined curl, you can use mousse, you can use foam wrap, you can use your favorite gel if that's something that you like, because the hair is 100% human hair, and you are able to use the products that you would normally use on your hair. But I do caution you that you will need to shampoo the products out of the hair before continued wear, because it will build up and then the hair will be flat and not look as beautiful as it could look. So I have improvised the side part, but again, you can wear the middle part, and then you can also do a side part on this side and sweep the hair over to the left side. So, but I have improvise the part here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get my brush and I'm going to go ahead and brush it out, and then I'm going to show you how to use the mousse if you decide to use mousse to kind of make the curls pop a little bit. Right, so I have my brush and I just use a simple plastic bristle brush for this hair because it does not tangle, it won't snag the hair, and it won't mess up the curl pattern or anything like that. So I'm just going to brush the hair out just to get it prepared for the mousse. And you can wear it like this if you like more of a natural looking curl without the definition. Then this is definitely a unit that you could just wear it in its natural state. This hair is amazing. It does not tangle, it does not mat. It is so easy to style and very, very easy to maintain. And so I'm going to take the mousse, just rub it in my hands, and I'm just going to gently run it through the hair. You don't have to use a lot. If you want it to be super, the curls to get really, really tight, I would use a spray bottle with water and wet it down first, and then use the mousse to go back in to define it. So I'm going to work with this, and then I'll come right back and show you the finished look. So here we are with the finished product. This is the Devon unit. Again, this is the unit that you can wear with either a side part on either side or a middle part. I applied some mousse. I used my fingers to run the mousse through the hair, and you can see what it looks like here. This is just mousse, no water, and I used only my hands and fingers to style the hair, but you can use your brush. But if you want more of a defined curl, you don't want to add the mousse and then brush it through. If you were to brush the hair after applying the mousse or the water, it is going to give it more volume. It is going to have less defined curls. So I just like using the mousse. For tighter curls, add water. But all in all, this is the finished look. It is an easy install and go look or get up and go look. It does not require a lot of work. It gives you maximum coverage around the sides and the back. So all in all, the Devon unit is a great low maintenance style that's easy and convenient. Thanks for watching.